Hello and welcome to Cooperative Management Solutions. Today we're going to talk about how to pay online and set up an online resident account. The benefits is that you can actually pay online, set up auto payments or do one-time payments. You can see your charges, you can review your payments and review your history. To start out, we go to a web browser and you can do this from your phone or from your computer. And the web address is coopmgt.com, short for Co-op Management. And then you click on Pay Online. It will take you to the Resident Web Apps Access, which is run by Rent Manager. And we're going to click on this little sign up button down here underneath the login. It's kind of small, hard to see. It's right there. Then you type in your account number and enter the email address we have on file for you. If we don't have your email or you don't know your account number, let us know and we will get that for you. All right, now it's going to send you an email. And we will go over here and check our email quick. And it's in our other. And there it is. Verify your web account. Click on Finalize. And it takes you to where you can create a password. I recommend that you use a capital letter and a numeral, a number. And now your login's been successfully created. Your email address will always be your login. And then you can type in your password. Now I'm going to go back to the original website, Co-op Management, and you can always go to here to log in. And so there's you enter your email address, then the password you just created, and you can click on Remember Me if you want it to. If you're on a public computer, please don't remember. Okay, so here's my fake account, and it's got my name, today's date. This is the information on how to contact your property manager, which happens to be me. You get a hold of myself or my staff. You can email your property manager from here. If you have a lease that has specific dates, then we might have it entered here. Here's our customer service phone number. Here's where you can view your charges. And you can see here that I have a fine for violations and I owe some premium rent for the month of June. And I want to make a payment. So the easiest way to do that, if you've never done it before, is go ahead over here to where it says your name. It'll have your name and not mine. And click Payment Settings. And from Payment Settings, you can set up a saved payment. So if you're using a credit or debit card, that's Visa, American Express, Discover, there will be a convenience fee charged. But if you do ACH, which is either checking or savings account, then it is free to you. So we're going to enter your account number and then the routing number. Some people don't know their routing number. You can call your bank to get that. Sometimes you can find it online by typing in your bank name and where the branch. Okay, now if I want to set up auto pay, I just click here, enable automatic payment. You pick the day of the month that you want it to come out. And then I recommend you have two choices. You can do balance due or specific amount. Now, balance due means whatever charges are on your account, that's what will come out. So if you get a fine or a special assessment or something changes in your rent, it would automatically take that money from your account. I don't recommend you do that because sometimes things can happen where you get a fine or something maybe you can't afford right this moment. If you're living on a fixed income, I recommend that you go with specific amount. And then I would recommend that you normally put in whatever your normal rent, lease payment, or HOA fee is. And that way that on this date every month, that's what will come out. If some other bill comes to you and you need to pay that, I can show you how you can pay that as well. Then you got to click this little tiny box that says you agree to the terms, and then you click on Save. And if I did this right, it will save. It did, and it shows right here that I have automatic payments set up. Now this isn't going to connect now until the next month, which is July 1. Now I could have picked like tomorrow, and it would have picked up a payment tomorrow. But I didn't do that. So what I can do is go back to the dashboard, and I can click on Make a Payment. And it's saying what's going on here, and I could say, okay, I want to pay $625, and I want to use the Save Payment information. And then I just click on Make a Payment. I'm not actually going to do that because it's a fake account and I don't want to take money out. Might confuse the whole system. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We really appreciate working with you, and I hope you have a great day.